Today, I have a short tutorial on how to save different configuration presets in the Stable Diffusion Forge UI for text to image and image to image. Head to the Extensions tab, then click on Available, and hit the Load From button. In the search bar, type in the word config, locate the config presets option, which allows you to add a configurable dropdown to change UI presets. Click on Install and wait for it to finish installing. Next, navigate to the Installed tab and click on Apply and Restart UI. It already comes with a list of presets for SD version 1.5. Some can include Hires Fix settings, sampling method, and others. But the good part is that you can create your own presets. If you click on Create, where it says New Preset Name, you can add a name that is easy to remember. It can include settings or sizes, Hires Fix settings, how much you want to upscale, and so on. Being able to change width and height is also quite useful. The sampling method can also be saved. For the Juggernaut XL version 9 model, I use this sampler. Click on Save to save that preset. If I select a different preset from the list, you can see how there are different settings, but if I change back to the one I just saved, I get those settings. So I think this extension is quite useful. Until now, we could only save one setting from the Settings tab and Defaults. But with this, you can have as many as you want. If you go to the Image to Image section, you'll find options to save presets as well, including size and denoise strength, among other settings you might need. For example, sometimes I use this setting for a full HD image, so now I can just save it and have quick access to it. If I change settings really quickly, you can see how selecting a different setting from the list affects the settings in the interface. You can also add more custom fields in there, but by default, I got the settings I needed. I'll quickly save some settings I use to create 2K images for YouTube, and I'll use something similar for the YouTube thumbnail. I'll include the width, height, and Hires Fix settings. It didn't appear in this video, but I saved one without Hires Fix options so I can switch easily. I'll prompt for a mech robot and use a portrait photography art style. And that concludes this video, a short one, but I hope it will help you. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and have a great day.